We're Remove the Background. We're experts in image editing. Our offices and employees are all over the world, and many of us live and work here in Vietnam. A couple of years ago, there were only 10 of us. Today, we're just too many to fit in the frame. Thomas is our CEO and Tice is head of customer experience. At business meetings, they look quite serious. But when playing football, they just look kind of foolish and a wee bit pathetic. At Remove the Background, we do things the hard way. We work hard, laugh hard, and sometimes party hard. We are proud to work with a lot of international brands. Our customers want us to be great. We try to be even greater. To be ahead of the game, we use every opportunity to train and educate our staff. This is Tung. He's head of our training program. He makes sure everybody is up to date with the latest techniques and that they share best practice photo editing. Tung works closely with our development team. Together, they create new technology to ensure that we meet our customers' expectations. During our lunch breaks, we run our own internal radio station, and if we must say so ourselves, we're pretty good when it comes to singing.
Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't stay.
Remove the Background is constantly expanding, and as a result, we're now building new offices in Hanoi. So, you want to be a training instructor, developer, graphic designer, team leader, or perhaps CEO? Well, then come and join us.